Got a little bit different of a video today. We're not actually going to pull some wrenches, so well, I hope we don't have to pull any wrenches. I'm going to meet up with my father, and he's going to take his 41, I'm going to take my 40, and we're going to go to a car show at Blackjack's Roadhouse. So, never been. It's supposed to be 3 different clubs there, so hopefully it's all right. But and hopefully we make it. We'll brave the highways in my freshly built transmission, but I think we'll be all right. So I'll try and get some footage of some cool cars, and hopefully you enjoy it. Well, we made it to the car show here. Not a bad turnout. Turned out to be a nice day. I was a little bit worried because we drove up in kind of misting fog the whole way, but sun's out, it's not windy, beautiful. So do a quick tour of the show, show you what's all here, and then yeah, I'm going to relax and enjoy it.